I will share with you how to be paid per click, which is a new approach for making PayPal money online for free in 2023. How should it be done? We'll soon find out. How to earn money every click. Would you like to get compensated for each and every click? Not only is this unique strategy, but it is also completely free and available globally. So first, let's see whether you have everything you need to make this work. First and foremost, you will require a laptop or computer, tablet, or smartphone. The second thing you'll need is an internet connection. Third thing, you must understand how to click. If you have those three, that's fantastic, and this is something pretty easy that you can do. So hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up for more money-making techniques, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Be sure that I always read your comments. Let's get started. Firstly, let me inform you that this technique works globally. The greatest part is that you don't have to sell anything. This isn't an affiliate network, it's not a link shortening service, and nobody has to sign up for anything. They don't have to spend any money. All they have to do is click, not more, not less. So this is really one of the simplest methods to begin generating money online automatically. As a result, it might be a source of passive income for you. Here's how it works. Along with the other 3 billion people on the planet who have been using Google as our main or preferred browser, we've been using Google to search the internet and surf the web the entire time. However, instead of utilizing Google for this method, we are going to use entireweb.com. This site, which is just like Google, has a free search engine too. The key comparison between Google and entireweb.com is that the latter will pay you for each click. They're paying you because Google is an enormous competitor, and they want to encourage more people to use their search engine instead of Google's. Therefore, they're paying you 20 cents each click because Google doesn't. And clearly, because both of these search engines are free, most people would want to utilize entireweb.com, which will pay them 20 cents per click, which is rather excellent considering that it is completely free. As a result, you must act as quickly as feasible, take use of the second website, which I'll show you in a moment. All you have to do now is go to entireweb.com. Once you're here, click the menu button in the upper right corner to access all of the categories such as Home, Our Services, Free Monitoring, Free SEO Analyzer, Free Site Analysis, Affiliate Program, Articles, and much more. Check them out. However, you must concentrate on only one profitable category, and it's an affiliate link, thus simply click it. As I already stated, you are not required to sell anything, and you don't even have to force anyone to buy or pay for anything. Indeed, you're getting 30% commission for each click you get, so you can persuade other people who use Google to switch to entireweb.com, and if they utilize your link, you will get 30% commission for each click, which is incredible. Google is visited 89.3 billion times a month. Google has 91.9% of the market share as of January 2022. Google processes over 8.5 billion searches per day. So there's an enormous, huge possibility. Even if you only suggest 100 individuals to visit the website, it'll still be huge passive income for you. As you notice, you will get paid for every click you generate, and you may earn up to 30% commission every visitor, which is rather impressive. The best aspect is that you have a high conversion rate because everything is completely free and really straightforward. They only need to access the web regularly using entireweb.com. You'll see exactly how everything works, as well as how the dashboard looks, and how you may withdraw your money. Let me show you something else amazing for the time. While this is how you will be paid. We pay our affiliates always on 15th day of the month for sales referred in last month. Minimum payout is $100, and you have to refer minimum 2 separated customers. Accepted are also self-purchases. In the next section after you are at this page, you should click Create Your Account right here to join up for free, and now you must fill out a bit of data about yourself. You have to provide your first and last name, as well as your personal tracking ID, and you may fill in any words or phrases you choose. Since my YouTube channel is Moneyflow, in turn my tracking ID will be Moneyflow. Then for your account, simply provide your email address. After that, you need to provide extra information about yourself there. Finally, you should read their terms and conditions. That's all there is to do. The registration procedure should not take more than a minute. You will now begin to earn money for each click that you make, and this is what your dashboard will look like once you log in. Here is a list of all your campaigns. Now, if you select Home on the left side of the site, you can track your clicks as well as the amount of money you've made. As we are able to see, because this is a current account, it will display 0 clicks and $0. However, as we begin to receive clicks, they will alter, and we will begin to receive money, which we can then withdraw by clicking on the My Profile icon located on the left side of the screen. Afterwards, we've achieved the payment threshold so we can request a withdrawal. So in order to start collecting those clicks, you must first acquire your affiliate link right here on top. This is your exclusive link, so copy it because you will be paid 20 cents per click if someone clicks on it. So you're just directing others to entireweb.com, where they may browse the web as usual. Go to My Profile, then Payment Details, and provide your information. As well, simply fill out the payment options according to how you wish to get paid. The best part is that PayPal isn't only their primary payment option. Simply submit your PayPal email address and they will pay you after you reach the payment level. Make use of Google and you get paid with each click, which is extremely straightforward and easy. In addition, after you have copied your affiliate link, you may begin sharing it with others, so you may start earning money by generating those clicks. You may definitely post your link on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and other social media networks. Share it with your friends and family so you'll be receiving a lot of clicks, and that will undoubtedly get you money. However, if you want to set this up automatically, with the potential to reach millions of clicks, you must follow the approach I'm going to share with you. If you haven't already done so, hit the like button and enable notifications to be notified whenever I post a new video. So first and foremost, launch Google Docs and create a new blank document. Here you may write something snappy that provides a call to action for your unique URL that sends visitors to entireweb.com, so write something brief. For instance, I wrote, instead of Google, try EntireWeb, an updated completely free search engine. I've also included my affiliate link right here. It is critical that you leave your affiliate link so that others may click on it, and I post something like this: try it in a few seconds and tell me if it's actually better than Google. So use terms like it's new or it's completely free. That way more individuals will be drawn in, since they will realize straight away that they do not need to buy anything or spend any money. They can test it out for free in a matter of seconds. As a result, people will not have to wait for minutes or hours. They can do it quickly and evaluate whether it is better than Google. And now you'll be paid 30% commission for every click you get. You must browse to slideshare.net, which we will be using. Clearly, this is only one of several alternatives. Of course, you may create your own call to action, as well as your own article with your own script, and that could work much better. So once you've finished writing your article, simply click on the file icon at the top, then upload the file and pick your PDF document to save it to your device, and with that PDF document. According to similarweb.com, almost millions of individuals from all around the world visit slideshare.net on a monthly basis. With SlideShare, you have the ability to reach over 1 million of people. The nicest aspect is that you may share whichever content you like, so you'll share your Google Docs article with your EntireWeb affiliate link. That way you can obtain those clicks on autopilot. Users who share content on our website receive millions of views. As you can see, there have been over 1 million views, over hundreds views, over thousands of views, and a lot more. So all you have to do is join up by hitting the sign up button on the very top. The registration procedure takes no more than 60 seconds. After you've signed in, simply click the upload button right here. Next, click Pick Files to upload and select your PDF document, then wait for it to load before giving it a title. So for example, I'll write in "This is better than Google and it's free," then I'll provide a quick description below. You may also include your affiliate link in the description. As a result, I have a better chance of receiving more clicks. Next, choose the category from the list and set the privacy to public so that everyone may view it. Then you may tag it with other words. The more tags you use, the more people will come to you. After that, simply click Publish. That's all there is to do. With this post, you now have the opportunity to reach nearly millions of individuals, so people may observe and experiment with EntireWeb for themselves. On the other side, you will be paid 30% commission for each click you create, which is completely passive revenue that you can earn for free using the website. To make $1,000, you literally just need 5,000 clicks, which are easily achievable because all people have to do is click on your link and utilize the free search engine, just as they would with Google. So take advantage of this method and begin earning money as soon as possible. And in my opinion, it is one of the simplest ways to begin earning money and the finest way to establish a passive income stream online. That is how you are paid per click. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in making money online fast and easy. Now watch this video. If you want to make more money from another website while typing on your phone, laptop, tablet, any device you prefer, then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.